In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automated email drip campaigns in Pipedrive 5 minutes. Let's get started by opening your browser and heading to Pipedrive's website. Click log in and sign in with your account credentials. If you use two-factor authentication, have your code handy. Once you're in, you'll land on your workspace, often starting in Pipeline or Deals. From there, look for the Campaigns section in your navigation. If you don't see it, you may need the Campaigns add-on or the right permissions, but assuming it's available, open campaigns and choose automated campaigns. Now we'll create your drip. Click the button to add a new campaign. Before you can send anything, Pipedrive needs a valid sender identity. Click add sender, enter the email address you'll use for sending, and tick the box to confirm you have permission and agree to the platform's sending policies. Click continue. You'll be prompted for company information such as your organization name and mailing address. This is important for compliance and helps your recipients recognize you. Fill it in accurately and click confirm. Next, verify your sender email. Check your inbox for the verification code, paste it back into Pipedrive, and click verify email. This step improves deliverability and prevents your messages from being flagged. With your sender verified, set a clear, compelling subject line for your first email. Keep it concise and relevant to your audience. If available, consider personalizing with fields like a contact's first name to boost open rates. Then click to create a new email. You can choose a layout template or start from a blank canvas. Templates are great for speed and consistent branding. A blank layout offers full control if you prefer to build from scratch. Design your email by adding your content, images, and buttons. Keep text scannable, use a single primary call to action, and make sure it looks good on mobile. Enable email tracking so you can capture opens and link clicks. This will help you measure performance and optimize your sequence over time. When you're happy with the content and settings, click close to return to your campaign setup. At this point, your automated campaign has a verified sender and a well-designed first email ready to go. You can continue building out your drip by adding additional emails and delays according to your strategy. But the core setup is now in place. Before launching to a full list, send a test to yourself and review formatting, links, and tracking. That's it. Your foundation for an automated email drip in Pipedrive is ready.